Welcome to Smart AI Earn. Did you know that thousands of users are earning between $3,000 and $5,000 every month from this platform? With over 1 billion active users, Instagram offers vast opportunities for individuals and businesses alike. Let's explore how you can turn your Instagram presence into a profitable income stream. To start, understanding Instagram's earning potential is crucial. Businesses and influencers can use compelling features like stories and reels to connect and engage their followers. High engagement rates and targeted advertising are keys to financial gain. Realistically, achieving 3K to 5K monthly requires a strategic approach. It takes time to build a profitable Instagram account. Initially, you must focus on growth. The timeline generally goes like this. 1. Growth phase, 1 to 3 months. Chapter 2. Build a loyal audience, 3 to 6 months. 3. Start monetization, 6 to 10 to 12 months. Next, let's discuss how to create a monetization-ready profile. Use a clear profile picture, a memorable username, and an engaging bio. This is your chance to attract both followers and potential advertisers. Choosing a profitable niche aligns with your passion and has a sizable audience. For example, fitness, travel, and niche crafts are some potential niches. After establishing your niche, craft a bio that resonates with your audience. Now, let's dive into 7 proven monetization strategies. 1. Sponsored posts. Collaborate with brands for sponsored content. Affiliate marketing. Promote affiliate products, earning commissions per sale. 3. Selling digital products. Create and sell ebooks or online courses. 4. Instagram shop. Set up an Instagram shop for physical products. 5. Collaborations. Partner with other influencers for cross-promotions. 6. Engaging content creation. Utilize high-quality visuals and informative captions. 7. Leveraging features. Use stories, reels, and IGTV for promoting products. Implementing a content creation strategy is essential. Identify high-converting content formats and maintain a posting schedule for consistent engagement. Use Instagram features to diversify your content. Growing your following is also crucial. Employ targeted growth tactics by engaging with your audience. Research trending hashtags and utilize collaborations to extend your reach. Converting followers into customers is the ultimate goal. Build authentic relationships through direct engagement, share user-generated content, and use effective calls to action. Avoid common pitfalls like over-promotion and policy violations. Maintaining consistency is key to keeping your audience engaged and interested. Wondering how real people are earning 3K, 5K monthly on Instagram? Take inspiration from success stories like Sarah, who sells handmade jewelry, Mark, a fitness coach, and Emily, a travel influencer. Their strategic approaches turned their Instagram profiles into significant income sources. In conclusion, building a profitable Instagram account takes time, persistence, and the right strategies. Focus on creating value-driven content, engaging with followers, and following monetization techniques. Are you ready to start your journey to Instagram profitability? Begin implementing these strategies today. Your online earnings await. To learn more, visit smartaearn.com/want a profitable Instagram. Here's how to earn 3K, 5K monthly. Thanks for watching the video.